Did a software update break the Bink2w32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's fix the library mismatch and get your specialized tools running again. This DLL file is the 32-bit version of the Bink Video Codec by RAD Game Tools. It is used by game developers to play high-quality, high-frame-rate cinematics with excellent compression and low CPU usage in 32-bit Windows games. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. It's important to note that the Bink2w32.dll is installed as part of Bink Video and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of Bink Video from the official source will restore the correct version of the Bink2w32 to your PC. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize and unregistered the Bink2w32 component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for the Bink2w32.dll, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If background clutter or library inconsistencies persist, the official diagnostic tool below provides informational support for the Bink2w32. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Bink Video from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.